Over 100 years ago, for the Cheongsam do not have how to make the pattern for the technology system, because on that time this kind of the technology is only for the master to speak to their apprentice, and also because this kind of the technology the master need to keep it to support to afford their family, so that is very important. So normally do not write down on a piece of paper. And for China, we just to start the how to make the pattern since 1990s, and we learn it from the Western and from the Japan. So for the China, for this kind of the professional garment, how to make pattern only has the 30 years old. So and for the Cheongsam is very special only for the Chinese traditional. So we will use the 4-style Chinese Cheongsam. We research how the pattern to make, and we share this kind of the information for all the fans who has the interest. See you next time.